Welcome to the Service Order Posting tutorial. Posting is the process in which a service order on a customer's account is turned into an invoice so that the customer may be billed. Posting your service orders can be done either individually or in group batches. In this segment, you will be shown how to use the batch posting option. Begin by choosing the Company Setup option from your company menu. When you see the Company Setup screen, scroll down to the area labeled Posting Options. Each of these settings can have a notable impact on the posting process, so it is important to be familiar with these options and how they work in conjunction with one another. The first option, Use Batch Service Order Posting, gives you the ability to post multiple service orders at a time. This can greatly reduce the amount of time it takes to post your service orders and is highly recommended. The Warn and Prohibit Posting Before Current Period options help prevent users from posting service orders for past dates that have already been closed and reconciled. If the Warn If Posting Beyond Current Date option is enabled, PestPac will produce a warning message if an order is being posted with a future work date, since orders should only be posted after the work is completed. The options listed beneath Show on Posting Screen allow you to customize the information that is visible and can be edited on the posting screen itself. The work date, start time, and end time are all necessary fields. They ensure that accurate technician schedule and production information is recorded in PestPac. By showing the service and price information, you will be able to add, edit, or delete any services that will appear on the invoice from within the posting screen. This can be especially useful if your technicians are encouraged to sell additional products or packages at the time of service. Enabling payment information allows you to record any payments that are received at the time of service and eliminates the need for performing payment entry separately. Enabling comments will let you add a customized comment to a customer's invoice before mailing the invoice. Checking the Chemicals option will display all of the chemical information associated with an invoice, allowing you to add or edit information before posting the service order. If the Allow Editing Invoice Date option is disabled, the invoice date will default to either the system date or the order's work date. Requiring the entry of start and end times will ensure that the duration of each service is accurately recorded before it is posted. The Invoice Number Matches Service Order Number option instructs PestPac to always advance the next available invoice and service order numbers simultaneously so that once an order is posted, the same number will be used for its corresponding invoice. For example, if you were to post order number 10542 and this option is turned on, then the invoice will also be numbered 10542. The Post Zero Quantity Chemicals option will allow an invoice to be created with chemical information, but without a quantity being recorded. Allow Advance Renewal Date pertains to any renewals or annual contracts that your company may have. Checking this box will allow you to advance the renewal date of these contracts by 12 months from within the posting screen. The default paid amount setting works in conjunction with the Show Payment Information option. By leaving this set to 0, it helps to avoid the accidental posting of payments that were not actually received. Finally, when recording the time it took to complete the service, you have the option of entering it as a start and end time or as a start time and duration. Once you have finished enabling the posting options you wish to use, click on the Save button at the top of the screen. You are now ready to start posting. To begin, select the Post Service Order option found in your customer menu. If you have the Batch Service Order Posting option selected, you will be able to see all the currently open posting batches or will be prompted to create a new batch. Clicking on the Add New Batch link will then bring you to the Post-Service Order search screen. On this screen, you will be entering a combination of search criteria to select exactly which service orders you will be posting. Depending on how many service orders you are posting, different criteria will work best for you. If you're posting a single service order, you can enter the specific order number into the first search field. You can also enter a list of order numbers separated by a comma or by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. If you are posting multiple service orders that were done for a single account, you can enter that account's location or Bill To code to find all of their currently open service order tickets. Choosing a specific technician, route, or branch are common criteria that allow you to break the work completed into smaller, easier to manage groups. The most common search criteria is the work date range. By entering a date range, you can choose to post the work completed today, yesterday, or last week. Selecting a sorting option will pre-sort your search results in any order you stipulate. After entering the criteria you'll be using, click the Search button at the top of the screen. You will be brought to the Post-Service Order screen. The purpose of this screen is to ensure that any information being recorded in PestPack matches what was recorded by the technician before saving it to an invoice. The start and end time are essential in tracking how efficient a technician's route is. The values entered here are used on multiple productivity reports throughout PestPack. The work date should accurately reflect the day upon which the service was performed, along with the name of the technician who actually performed the service. You will notice under the Order Type menu there are more options than were previously seen in the Service Order screen. These new choices are for posting an order that was not serviced or was canceled. Anytime that you wish to void out a service order in PestPack, you must post it using one of these Not Serviced codes. You may add additional codes in your Not Serviced Reason lookup table. You can add to, edit, or delete the services on this order just as you would from the service order screen. Simply click the Add New Service link if an additional line item is needed. You can add as many new services as needed. Beneath the service information is the subtotal, tax, and total information. The amount paid line allows you to enter any payment that was received at the time of service. Enter the amount being paid, method of payment, and any related reference number. The comment field in the posting screen works in the same way as the comment field on the service order. You may enter a unique comment or choose from a preset list stored in your lookup table. The last area is for recording chemical information. Simply click the Add Chemical link to enter any necessary materials and fill out the corresponding fields. Once you've finished reviewing all of the information for this order, check the Post box to approve this order for posting. Repeat this process for any other service orders on your screen until you reach the bottom of the page. If you choose to post more service orders than can be displayed on the screen, click on the Next Page button to advance to the next group of orders, or click the Done button to save all of the changes you've made. The orders you have selected to post will now be grouped into a numbered batch. You may add to this batch by clicking the Add link or edit it using the Edit link. Selecting Lock prevents you or any other user from adding any additional orders to this batch, but still allows the existing orders to be edited. Clicking the Release link will finalize all of the changes you have made and process the service orders into invoices. Make Public allows other users in your office to view the batch you've created. And the Report link will display a summary report showing the invoices that will be created and any payments that have been entered. Once you are ready to process these orders, click the Release link. PestPack will now begin processing all of the orders in that batch into invoices. This process can take up to several minutes while PestPack removes the selected service orders from the customer's account screens, creates the invoices, and makes the necessary changes to the customer's account balances. Once the process is complete, you will see that the order links are no longer available. The order links will have been replaced with corresponding invoice numbers and links. You can also run an invoice register report from this screen to see the total for the billable invoices created. While a service order is being posted, other users will not be able to view or make any changes to that order. You may also run a report to see a list of all the orders currently in the posting process. Choose the All Reports option from the Reports menu. The Uncommitted Orders report can be used to search for any service orders currently in the posting process. You'll notice that the search criteria on this screen and the service order posting search screen are very similar. To see a list of all the orders currently being posted, simply click the Display button. In addition to the normal service order information, you can also see which user placed this order into a posting batch and what batch number it is currently in. This concludes the service order posting tutorial. Thank you.